Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Our Python coding interview question for fresher is running. This is the second question. Okay. The problem statement is here. Given an array and an integer k, find the maximum sum of any contiguous subarray of size k. Okay. This is our problem statement. Okay. First of all, we have to comment this. Suppose, okay, we have this array. Okay, we have this array. This is array. Okay, we have to take norms as array. Okay, norms is equal to, we have to norms is equal to square bracket 2 1 5 1 3 2. This is our array and size of k. This is of size k. Okay, size of what? Size, we have to take size is equal to 3. Okay, this is our array and this is our size. The odd contiguous we have, this is the contiguous. Odd means, the odd contiguous means, okay, the odd contiguous means the number must stay together. Okay, so we cannot pick randomly. The number must stay together means, for example, 4 is, and then we take 2 1 and 5. Okay, this is, sorry, this is 1 and 5. Okay, this is contiguous. The number stay together each other. Okay, and there is no gaps. First 2, here is a 2, and second is 1, here is a 1, and third is 5, here is a 5. It is allowed because the number are stay together. But this one is not allowed. Okay, sorry, but 2 5 and 3, this one is not allowed. This one is allowed, and this one is not allowed. Not allowed because the number are not stay together. So this one is not allowed. This is our problem statement solution. Okay, can write the code from here. So we have to, first of all, we have to define the function def max. Okay, we have to find max sum of subarray. Okay, max sum of subarray. Okay, and then we have to pass two parameter. One is norms. Norms is array, and another one is k is size. Okay, this is our two parameter. One is number array and k is size. Okay, then we have to find the window sum from the size of k. Okay, here is the window sum. Window sum, sorry, sum is equal to sum of norms of slicing minus 1. We use slicing. Okay, here is the slicing number 1. Sorry, 1 not number 1 not k. Okay, k is the size. We have to find the sum of window of k. Okay, size. we find first sum of size, then we have to find the maximum number. Okay, we have to assign window sum with the maximum number. Max sum is equal to window sum. Okay, first of all, what we did. Okay, first of all, we define the function and pass the two parameter k and nums. Nums is a array and k is a size, and we have to then we find window sum of size of k. Okay, sum of size of k. This is the slicing. This means start from the beginning and end of the k. Okay, k is 3, and the sum of k is what? Window sum, and then maximum sum is equal to window sum. Window sum is assigned with maximum sum. Then we have to apply for loop for every characters, every numbers I in range. Okay, range, what is the range? K and what? Then we have to find length of norms. Okay, length of norms, we have to find length of norms. Then we have to find also window sum, or we have to upgrade window sum. Window sum plus equal to norms of I minus, okay, minus norms of I minus k. Okay, current sum minus and previous maximum sum. Okay, then we have to find the max sum from the previous max sum and window sum, current window sum. Max sum equal to sum of what? Sorry, we have to find maximum sum. Max sum and window sum. Then we have to return the what? We have to return max sum. Return max sum. Okay. Then print. This is not identity. This one is okay, no problem. This one is not good, but yes, right now. What the problem? Then okay, right now fix no more. Then we have to print array print. We have to call the function max sum of subarray. Then we have to write array. What array? This one is, we have to pass this array. Okay, and size also. This is double. Okay, size also 3. Okay, this one is 3. This is our complete solution of this problem. See the output of this problem. Okay, and this one is 9. Okay, our answer is 9. The first of all, we have to break down it. First of all, we break down. Here is the function. We define the function and pass the parameter norms and k. Norms is the array and k is the size. And we have then we find the window sum of size k and assign with the maximum. Okay, first of all we find the maximum with the window sum. Okay, then we apply the for loop, because and for loop is because of array. I in range k. What is the k? 3. Length of nums also. So find the then nums length of nums. What is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a 6 length of nums. Okay, the start from the 3 and in from the 6. Then we have to we upgrade the window sum with this upgrade the window sum, and then find the maximum sum also. This is the old maximum sum, previous maximum sum, and this is the updated window sum. We find the maximum number from the window sum and maximum sum. So we return the maximum also because of the maximum assigned with maximum. Okay, then print the array and call the function. Okay, this is our today solution of maximum sum of sub array of size k. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and like the video and share the video. Also comment this if you like.